wrote down M.
Yeah.
Well, that's because that's what it is, John. Well done.
Well, I don't have the time to dick about. My brain is really struggling. All right?
I tried to eat a chocolate orange hole once. I got it in my mouth and I had to wait 6 days for it to melt.
What does the acronym CHAV stand for?
Acronym. Chav. It means Chav. Come on, help me out.
It's not an acronym.
It's not an acronym.
It originated from people from Chatham because they used to call them chavs. So you're talking out your arse, mate. Sorry, sir.
Okay, Johnny, what was your 5?
Phone.
What, sorry?
Phone.
Phone.
E.T. Phone's home.
Phone.
Phone.
Phone. Phone.
Someone's on the phone here.
Someone's on the phone.
Let's get the phone. Father, London's a lonely place. Yeah, it's raining here. I'll get you, Mum.
This button, he'll say John phrases. Oh! Lower!
You've got to try and make 101 out of those numbers.
OK.
You don't have to use them all. You don't have to use them all.
You're saying it to me like it's obvious.
Catherine, did you get it?
Why do you always ask me first? Can you ask Miles first, please?
Sure, Miles, did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, but mine's... I haven't written anything down, so mine's in my head.
OK, fine, just do it in your head.
All right, 100.
Yeah. So you're 1 away.
Oh, is that what you do? You just go... Yes. I'm just going to... It's 100. And I'm 1 out. I'm 1 out.
This is Willoughby. Don't hire him. He's a prick. I moved out of my parents' house, and after a month, I went back to say hello, and this was on the sofa. I said, "Who's that?" She went, "It's Willoughby." I went, "Why did you knit him?" And she went, "To replace you." It's literally my replacement. I hate him. I don't see how that's even a... Look at his face. Not happy, is it? That's not... She made him a jacket as well. She's got a jacket for him that he wears, just... He lounges around the house
It
in
really
this.
is house colours, isn't it?
Yeah, well, yeah. Remember, it's meant to be... Look at that!
Oh, that's a lovely jacket.
That comes out. It's ridiculous.
What is that?
His little handkerchief for mopping his brow when he's had a tough day being a knobhead.
OK, so Joe and Catherine have 18, John and Chris have 31.
Oh.
So we're still in it to win it?
No.
Why not?
Because you are too far behind. You cannot win.
Why are you being a prick?
It's 4 points. No. It was going in the face and you turned away.
You flinched, Russell.
Yeah, so it's a flinch. About
A flinch and a body shot.
Yeah.
A
2
flinch and
points
a
to
face
John.
shot.
Oh! He didn't flinch, God bless him.
Took it right on the face.
Yep.
2 points. Be careful, those teeth are expensive.
Oh, ugly. Really ugly to see that. Oh!
He's turning away from him,
That was a flinch. That was a flinch.
OK. Russell?
My ball's coming straight for your dick.
It's going to have to be a good shot. I'm flinching already.
And joining Lee tonight, Sarah Millican. Sarah founded the online feminist magazine Standard Issue. If you want to check it out, ladies, it's easy. Just get your husband or your dad to set it up on the computer for you. Well, if that got me in trouble, I might as well go all in. OK.
The classic Jimmy Carr catchphrase.
Hurry up, love. Desperate for a piss.
E. M. Oh, that's a good one. Ooh. And V.
Let's do this.
OK, and your time starts now.
So what do you reckon, then?
So, John, how many letters?
I think a 5.
Roisin, what did you get?
5.
Let's see your 5.
Image.
OK, image, pretty good. Nish, what's your 5?
Reign. R-E-I-G-N. Not the longest word, but it is fancy. It does look like Rachel has come out in favour of a former Chinese communist leader.
I think I've got it.
Go on.
Slapstick.
Let's take a look.
Yeah! I'm going at home. I better come back to him.
Well done, everyone.
Out of the park. The celebration was poor, but I just got panicked. 2 in a row and a conundrum. I'll be on a proper one soon. I'm a bit worn out now. I'm going to pass out.
That's the adrenaline rush that is pure countdown, mate.
But I've got it.
Oh, very good. Well done.
Thanks, Sean.
And you can see I'm just equally as excited as you.
I've got close.
Yep.
I think you might have got it. 363.
360.
OK, so how did you get it?
6 times 75 is 450.
Yeah.
450 minus 100 is 350.
Yep.
Plus 10 is...
Yeah. And then what have you got left over?
And we'll say, what's the next bit?
So you're on 360.
And what number have I got left?
10 and a 7.
So... plus 10 minus 7! Fucking got it!
On to our first numbers round, OK? Joe, Catherine, you get to pick the numbers.
I don't know what's going on. You do it.
We just have to decide how many big numbers we want and how many small we want.
OK, I feel sick when I do this. I find this one really hard.
Has anyone ever got no biggies? Can you get all littlies?
Yeah.
Is that... I mean, because that would be... If you're just trying to ruin them, that might be enough.
David, what the hell, man? We've known each other for years.
Let's have 100, because that's always easy.
Yeah.
And then some little ones.
You can't actually pick the numbers. She's rubbing a crystal on his head. Let's go with 6 small and press the buttons.
You manifest and say what number you want it to be, and I bet it will be it.
2.
OK, what's she going to say next?
4.
4.
And then?
I cut 1.
Yeah. What do you think next?
It's a small picture of a pony.
OK, Joe.
Go on, guess the target,
2,
though.
4.
I'll guess the target. Hold on.
2 and 4.
Guess the target, come on.
723. Bang-ons.
So close.
That was freaky.
OK, and your time starts now.
How the hell? We need a big one. OK, that was a really bad idea.
So the target was 315. Joe, did you get it?
I got 4.
Could you talk us through your working?
I just wrote 4 in the corner.
OK, so you wrote 4.
Yeah.
What'd you get, Catherine?
I got 280.
280? Wow.
That's excellent.
Chris, did you get it?
I got 230.
I'm smarter than Chris Addison.
OK.
Flying.
John, did you get it?
Oh,
No, I didn't. But I sort of think...
Well, John, bear in mind this is...
I got a sum, but I just didn't get any of the numbers in the sum.
I basically multiplied everything together except the one which I added to try and...
I popped a 4 in the corner.
Recently, I saw a man with a bag for life from Lidl, and you just wish some people believed in themselves a bit more. Have you ever been in a Lidl?
Are you being serious? I haven't been in a Waitrose, mate.
Have you not? Where'd you get your vegetables from?
They're in the kitchen.